Many owners think they have a protective dog when they actually have an insecure dog reacting out of pure, raw fear. A true protector is calm. An insecure dog barks and lunges because they feel they must defend themselves from a threat. Loyalty is great, but fear-based reactivity causes chronic stress. A balanced dog doesn't feel the need to attack others. I have worked with thousands of dogs, and the key is always safety. A calm dog is a dog that trusts his leader and world. Does your dog react a lot on walks? Tell me your story and follow me to learn how to give them the confidence they need.